Hi! Good morning! Have a wonderful and fruitful day! Let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a godly wisdom from the book of Proverbs because I believe with all my heart that a Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen carefully and learn the principles for life. From Proverbs chapter 19, verse 8, it says, "Do yourself a favor, love wisdom, learn all you can, and watch your life flourish and prosper." Hey, wow! There's a word of wisdom for today. You know, learning is the best thing in life. The Bible says, learn all you can. Because when you stop learning, you stop living. When you stop learning, you stop teaching. So don't stop to learn in this world, because the world never stop teaching everyone. So my friend, do yourself a favor. Always learn the right way. Ask the Lord to guide you and learn to be a man of wisdom and understanding, so that you will become fruitful in this life. So I declare shalom, shalom. Peace and grace be multiplied to everyone. God bless you more.